Making him up.
सच बोल रही है और झूठ बोल रही है
सच बोल रहा
सच बोल आज संडे है सो हम सफारी पार्क में जा रही है अभी हम पहुंच गए हैं एक्चुअली ये उसको व्यू so I have heard it's the largest park or zoo in Pakistan, and we can see the lions and tigers, and we can go close to them and play with them. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the wild animals here. Udhar Raheel, can you say hi everybody?
Hi everybody.
Where are you now?
In zoos in
Safari Park. Okay, let's say कपड़े पाऊंगी सफारी पार्क में जाऊंगी लायन शेर देखूंगी okay and लायन शेर जवाद रहील को खाऊंगी. Are you scared? Are you scared?
No. Cage.
No?
Cage.
What you will do?
Cage.
Cage? They are in the cage? Slowly, we are here. So many people over here. They are standing. I think they come from other cities. Those people?
Yes, they come from other cities.
Okay. So I come from another country. To Safari Park. I was thinking people will stay at home in Ramadan, but today I can see lots of people here. Look, देखो ये छोटे बच्चे. Do we have to buy tickets?
Yes, we will buy from.
How much? One ticket.
पता नहीं मुझे भी नहीं पता. चेक करते हैं.
Check कर. ये ticket office बहुत fancy looks. Wow, ये deer. ठीक है ना उर्दू में deer.
हिरन.
Hiran?
हर्न.
Hern? Okay, here is a ticket. Do we have to get ticket for kids? छोटी बच्चे ticket ला रही है? No? बस 4. ठीक है. We got 4 tickets for adults, and we don't have to buy tickets for छोटी बच्चे. Okay, these are the tickets. Lahore Safari. How much do you pay?
100 each.
100. It's cheap. हम जा रही है उधर में. We have to go one by one. Alright. Okay, thank you. Wow. It's so beautiful. ये किया. हाँ बहुत प्यारा. I didn't expect it will be like this. Sorry, dear. I didn't expect it will be like this. I was thinking.
I also just now see.
But last time when you came to Safari Park, I was in China.
हिल इधर आ जाओ.
Raheel. Wow. I love this environment here. Clean, neat. It's something like a different place, not Pakistan.
Yes.
So, Safari Food Court, Lost World, Monkey Mania, rest rooms and fun dunya. So where are the animals? Raheel, aajo. Aajo, 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 aajo.
दौड़ ऐसे भागो
Oi, this is Hadia. ये की करना है? इधर की करना है?
इधर हम बर्ड देखेंगे.
बर्ड? अच्छा.
बर्ड, डक,
Ducks.
chicks.
So why do we have to go from? Okay, this is a door. All right.
राइट ट्रैक के ऊपर है.
All right. What's that bird? What's that bird? The black ones. It's like a picture, you know. I really feel relaxed.
अच्छा पॉपकॉर्न देख सकते हैं.
Popcorn?
मगर तो उन्होंने हादी उनको दो. हादी
ये वाला.
उनको दो डक से.
Okay, we will see how they eat the popcorn. Do they eat popcorn? Oh my gosh. Oh, they don't eat. They don't like.
उधर से देते हैं
ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ 'ਚ ਨਰਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ.
नहीं खा लेंगे.
Huh? अरे
जवाब वेट अभी खाने दो उसको.
खुद ही तो दाने आगा
बस
ਇਹਨੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਪਾਈ ਦੀ ਆ.
okay.
आ जाओ
Okay.
खुद खाएगा
Finished.
ਅਚਾਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ.
They're
ਦੇਖੋ
full.
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਈ ਲਾ ਦੀ ਬਾਤ.
ए बच्चों इधर आओ. इधर आओ.
This environment really makes me comfortable, full like Europe style. Yes. And this is first time I'm in a very neat and clean and comfortable place in Pakistan. I really loved. Oh, there is peacock. Is that peacock? This is peacock. I want to go closer. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Oh. I've never seen peacocks. Now, oh my gosh. That's flying down. So beautiful. I didn't know they can fly. So beautiful. Raheel देखो. Raheel. देखो. Wow. Like a brush.
आज छोटे बच्चे बहुत खुश हो गए. सारा running.
They're going to feed. Yes, they're going to feed the peacocks. Are they peacocks all? I can't see clearly because no, these are not peacocks. These are something. I don't know the name even in Chinese.
I also don't know it.
These are peacocks. The green and blue one. Cook. You also become cook.
Raheel went crazy and I can't find him. He was chasing the birds and
Raheel. Oh, Raheel किधर है? Raheel बड़ा दूर.
बस दौड़ के ना जाया करो. वो डर जाते हैं ना बेटा.
छोटा वाला को लेंगे ना वो छोटा वाला वो क्या है और देख के अपना गिर जाए मम्मा कई ज्यादा ना हो गया.
Now what is our next station?
Next,
Oh, look at your shoes.
और देखा. तो ये कह रहे थे हाथी उधर नहीं जाना गंदा बच्चा, चल बस अब रहने दो, कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ।
पापा मैं तो पानी में नहीं गया।
Okay. Now we're going to the next station.
And I don't know what's it station.
Everybody is making pictures. Oh, that one. What is this black one there? Wow. I really want to. Yeah. Peacock.
पापा बात पे पहले
They have a crown.
पापा बात
Does this mean they are the king of the birds?
Yeah. Very beautiful.
So that's so beautiful. I want to ask, I am beautiful or the peacock?
Of course you.
झूठ बोल रही है हाँ सच सच बोल रही है और झूठ बोल रही है
सच बोल रहा हूँ.
सच बोल रही है
Harris.
What is here? What is here?
We will wait for that car.
Okay. ये किया है
VIP people.
VIP people? अंदर शेर हैं走走走看一下里面是啥反正看起来哎呦妈呀哎呦妈呀哦 What? Lion. Share. Raheel, did you see this is daddy lion? I think this is baby lion and this is that is mommy lion. Oh my gosh.
वो उनको मार नहीं रहे टच भी नहीं होगा
मानी मुझे लगता है ये वही वाला है तो वन हु हाउ
This is tiger.
ये राजा है उस्मान जी हमारे साथ
छोटे बाल है ना डी डाइट
ये गाइड हम तो गाइड
चलो बेटा कहीं से चलो यार.
Making him up.
Too scared.
ठीक है भाई, ये सारे मेरे हाथों की पैदावार है.
अभी हम गाड़ी में बैठ रही है किधर जा रहे हैं
ये गाड़ी हमें दिखाएगी different animals on road like panda, tiger.
Okay, so we don't have to walk.
We don't have to walk.
Thanks. Otherwise, I'm already talking.
Already talking. Raheel.
Raheel is not happy today. Are you happy? Not happy? Yes. These people are waiting for the next guy. Driver uncle is sleeping maybe.
Lord.
हम वापस जा रही हैं क्योंकि tired. As Ishan said.
We're very tired, but we didn't see anything. Just a peacock.
So we will come next time.